boys and girls, welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have a collab here, Greeicy and Jay Wheeler. We had them both on this channel before. This time they are together and they do the song Qué Te Pasó. Alright, so we're gonna look at this song with the capo set on the 4th position. 4th fret, that's the best scenario. And we're gonna look at the melody and then a simple strumming pattern. And that's it. It goes in the same way through the entire song. So capo on the 4th, let's go over the chords. And we're gonna start with the E minor. So E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the D sus2. Okay, we're gonna go with the sus version because we want the open string down there. So that will be open D, second G, third B, and open E. Next chord is the G6, all right? So we have the bass for it that goes 3rd fret on E, 2nd on A, and all the strings down there are open. So open D, open G, open B, and open E. But we want to be able to get the 1st fret B string. You will understand why when we go through the melody. So I suggest you hold these two, 3rd on E and 2nd on A with your ring and mid finger like this. So you have the option to go down there with the index finger and get the 1st fret B string later. All right. So that's the G6. And then we have the C. So that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have a version of the D chord. It's played exactly as a C shape. You just move it 2 frets towards you, closer to your body. So you land on this position. That will give us 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. So there we have the chords. E minor, the D sus, the G6, the C, and the D. All right, so we're gonna go look at this melody together, starting from the beginning. And yeah, E minor part goes like this. Okay, so that will be to play open E in the bass together with open G, then open D, then 2nd A, and open G. Okay. Then we have the D sus. It goes like this. Okay, so that will be to play the open D string together with 2nd G, then open D again, then open A, and 2nd G. Now into the G part, the G6. You're gonna play it this. Okay, so that will be to play 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with 1st B. And that's the reason for playing this index finger down there even later when we're gonna do the strumming. So 3rd on E together with 1st B, then open G, open D, then 1st B again, and open B. And then you have a short pause there, and then comes the 2nd half of this melody. So it starts with the C parts. So you can grab the chord as it is, and you're gonna play 3rd fret on A together with 1st B, then open G, 2nd D, and 1st B. Then we have the G parts. It goes like this. So that will be 3rd fret on E string in the bass together with open B, then open G, then open D, and open B. And then you have the final D part, this version of it, and you're just gonna pick that and a big pause afterwards. So that will be 5th on A together with 4th D. Big pause after that, and that is the melody of finish one round. So I'm gonna take you through this, yeah, let's start from the beginning. E minor. I'm gonna take down the tempo just a little bit. It's slow as it is in original tempo, but I just want to be clear about it. So we're gonna play even slower to go through one round together. Let's go. That's one round. So okay, so there you have the melody. Now let's look at the strumming, and we're gonna start with E minor. So grab that first chord. One string around will be down, up, clap, down, like this. So down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. That's a couple of rounds of it in a slower tempo. So you're gonna play E minor, one string around, then the D sus 1, and then the G6 2. The first of these two rounds, I suggest you hit the first fret B string. So you have that on the first round out of these two on G, and the second round you release it to get it open, okay? So that's the first half of it. E minor 1, D sus 1, and G6 2, okay? Then you gotta play C1, the G6 1, and this D2. That's it. So it goes like this. And yes, there you have the strumming, guys. So just want to mention the second time you play the G, so the C and then the G, that G you play with open B string, okay? So you have the melody choice, you also have the choice to play with strumming, and that's it when it comes to Greeicy and Jay Wheeler's Qué Te Pasó. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and if you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. And until next time, play tuned.